those faces. I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
today we are on the next decluttering, organizing, whatever you want to call it, project, where I want to create a little coffee station over here. And for me to do that, I already moved my KitchenAid from here, which I showed in my previous video. I have my coffee here in this little bin. And this is the problem. It's just overcrowded, it's messy. Also, a lot of my stuff is already have been used quite a bit. As you can see, it's like it's just it's just old. So I bought a few items, and I'm gonna just a little coffee station in the back over here. I have to figure out how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it here or on this wall. So we'll play around with that. But first, I'm gonna unpack all the things I got for the coffee station.
You needed me like a cargo, you will carry me.
Hello ladies, I just wanted to pop in really quick and introduce myself for those of you who are new here. My name is Marta, I am a full-time working mom of 2, and on my channel we do a lot of basically house management, so a lot of cleaning, a lot of decluttering, organizing, just basically making our houses more functional. So it just helps us balancing everything in our life, because I feel like the more the house works for us, the easier it is to just manage everything. So if you are new here, welcome. If you are coming back, welcome back. Hopefully you are enjoying this video. As you can see, I am showing you a bits and pieces of, slow motion, speed up version, and let me know which one you like better. What kinds of videos you like the most, if it's sped up, if it's in kind of real time. Let me know, because I feel like I kind of watch both of them from different creators and I enjoyed both. So
I said that I needed you like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you hurt me if I'm in the dark?
okay, I think those are just adorable. So cute. This one, I really love how it looks, and I like that it has this, I'm doing it one-handed, but it is airtight. You can open it because you can actually hold on to this. But I noticed Where is it? Right there. It's a little chipped. And I don't know if you can see on the inside. No, it's not a problem. It's on the inside. You can see how there is like a kind of uneven on the bottom. Not even uneven. It's just when they were, I guess, making it. But yeah, I don't like this. It's chipped over here. So I got it from Amazon, so I'm gonna see if I can get it replaced.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't.
So if you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I am going through like a decluttering process of my house. So it might seem like almost counterintuitive that now I'm creating a coffee station and adding kind of more, if you were, things or clutter, you might call it, to my countertops. But I am not a minimalist. I really am a believer that I want my house to function for me the way that I like things. And both my husband and I enjoy coffee. We make coffee twice a day, so we use this every single day. So for me, having something that works for us and that just when I look at it, it makes me so happy. That's just what works for us. So I just wanted to make sure that, if you're on a decluttering journey, that does not mean that you have to have, your counters empty or everything has to seem like, in a magazine, everything is just, a clear space. So it is your journey. Make sure that your house is functioning for you and that you are enjoying it.
If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
So what you're gonna see is just a few seconds of me trying to rearrange things, figure out what's the best way to lay it out. That in actuality took 20 minutes. I was going back and forth, trying basically every single possible way. And this is what we ended up with. We're gonna try it out for a few weeks, see how this works, see how we like it. If this is functioning the way I want it to function, because until we try it out, we are not gonna know. But overall, I am so happy I finally have my coffee station. I've never had one, so this is really making me happy every single morning. And now we are on the next day and we are moving on to just decluttering a couple of the drawers in my kitchen. So my kids were about to be up for the day. It was, I think, around 6:30 in the morning, so they usually get up at 7. So I wanted to just use the time to declutter those two drawers. So this is obviously where we have a lot of utensils and just, cooking utensils as well. So it has been a while that I went through that and I know I have too many things. In the end, I still have quite a bit. I do cook almost every single day. So I do use them, but I wanted to go through it because I know there were a few things that definitely were not used. So let me know how you're doing with those particular drawers in your house. Are you a type of person who has too many utensils, specifically the ones that you're cooking with? Or are you just more on, I just have what I need? Because I definitely have too many. So I was happy to finally go through those drawers, clean them, because I don't think the camera does it justice. It was pretty dirty in there. And in the end, I was really happy with how it looked and how much stuff I was able to get rid of. Cleaning and organizing and decluttering all the stuff in the kitchen, I really started thinking about how much I have done so far already. How this journey to having a, decluttered house, how it really affected me in a really positive way. Now, my house is not close to being finished with decluttering, but every little piece, every little bit I do, it just makes me feel so happy. Like right now, looking at this organized drawer, and just, the process for me gets easier the more I do it. Now that I have kind of switched the way I think about decluttering, and I have read the book Declutter Like a Mother, and it really made me think about how to declutter in a way that works for me. So before, I was more concentrated on organizing stuff versus really decluttering. So now when I'm decluttering, I really think about, do I really need this? Do I really use this? So for example, I had, I think, 3 peelers in there, like a vegetable peeler. I only use one of them, the same one every time. I have not used the other ones in I don't know if I actually ever used the other ones. I feel like they came with either a set that I bought of utensils or something, and I'm like, well, why do I need 3 of them when I really use one? And well, if the one that I have breaks, because that was another thing I used to do, that I needed a backup. And for some things I like to keep a backup, but for something like a peeler, in a worst case scenario, I will just use a knife. Like the world is not gonna end. It's not gonna really affect me that much, and I can definitely get one pretty quickly. So it's just made me think how that decluttering journey is really getting easier as you move forward. So let me know where you are in your decluttering journey. If you have started to experience that, the more I do it, the easier it gets. Because it's definitely a good feeling to know that, how far you have come. And you're gonna see me struggle here a little bit with this. I wanted to make sure that I cut it the way that it needs to be cut, because I don't know about you, but for some reason, every time I need to cut something exactly to a measure, I fail. I don't know. It seems like it's good, and then I cut it and it's not. So, but this one worked out perfectly in the end. I had to recut a portion of it, but I don't know, for some reason this is not something I'm good at, so I really have to spend some good time triple checking if I'm actually cutting it in the right spot.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill.
And as you can see, when I was organizing, I kind of kept changing things up depending on where they would fit, what made more sense. It's always a process for me. I'm like, well, this is how it's gonna go, and I do it right the first time. I'm always kind of going back and forth, so I don't know if you can relate, but that's definitely my style. So I was really happy with how it turned out. I put some extra ones in that utensil holder that I have next to my stovetop, and I really, really liked it. It took me, I think, about 30 minutes to organize those two drawers. You can see a lot of stuff I am getting rid of in that corner, and I don't know, I'm just very happy with the results. I hope it gave you some motivation to go after any decluttering or organizing that you have to do in your house. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.
And don't let your